Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we will be unboxing three very special models that my dad got me from the airplane shop. So two of these are actually March releases, but we'll get to that later. This is not a March release, but let's get straight to the point. So I like these models are actually really cool. So I'm gonna unbox them right now. But before I start unboxing, make sure to smash that subscribe button, and as it would really help supporting my channel. Now anyway, let's start off with our United 727. See here, very cool model. Pause this video if you want to record the details. So, open this bad boy up. Ooh. And dang, this is a nice model. As you can see, this is in the United 727 Stars and Bars Friendship livery. And you can see, I'm surprised how it actually has like the rollable landing gears. It's kind of cool. To be aware, Gemini jets can be damaged easily, so I'd say if you get these models, just make sure to keep them in a safe space. Now, next up we have our Lufthansa Cargo MD-11. This is really special because it's the farewell edition. And before we unbox it, just remember that this one is a March release. So let's unbox that up. You can also pause this. Here, and what you can do, now we're going to unbox it. I like to give a preview of the look inside, because it's really efficient to see what preview of your model. Just make sure there are no deficiencies in it, and it's kind of cool as well. Okay. Damn. This is a really cool model. You can see here, also has rollable landing gears, which is nice. And the signature thank you MD-11 livery. Now, as you can see here, this is so you see Lufthansa Cargo retired these in 2021, and as a commemorative livery, they painted this in the thank you MD-11 farewell. So anyway, let's put this model up, and then we get straight to our biggest model here. 1 second. Wait, pause. Special effect. The Delta Airbus A350-900. Actually, my first A350. Last time I got a Airbus model was in 2023. Other than that, it's just been Boeing. My Lufthansa Cargo is MD-11, so cool. Anyway, this is also a March release. And once again, pause here to see what the model is like. And yeah, let's unbox this. Ah! Oh. Okay. You know, people always say that they have the problems with Gemini Jet's quality control. Oops, drop that. But honestly, I've never had any model that's been damaged directly from the box. Well, at least by the box. Damaged a few, but who cares? Here's that Delta A350. I think they released multiple A350s. I think this is just one of the many that are there. So I'll line these up from smallest to biggest, or biggest to smallest, whatever. So anyway, these are my awesome models. I'm really impressed by how they look, and I'm really grateful for my dad for buying them. But anyway, that's enough for today. Subscribe to I Use Just Things, and we'll see you in the next one.